Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get Android 17 early access on your phone. And here I have a Google Pixel 6a, and if we come to about phone, as you see, this is a Google Pixel 6a, and if we scroll down, it's on Android 16. So I'm going to be showing you how you can get early access of Android 17. If you have a Pixel 6a, 7a, 7, 8 upwards, you can get Android 17 early access. And all we are going to do, if we go here and we go to the software update part, you're going to see that I'm able to get a limited update, maybe to fix bugs and stuff. But I'm going to be showing you how to get Android 17 on your phone. So for example, if I come here and I insert my charger, you see the update I'm able to get is just a minor update, but we want to get the Android 17 update. All you're going to do is come to your browser and you're going to search for Android beta program. You place on that and you're going to go to the first page or the first link that comes. Then you're going to place on devices and you scroll down. As you see here, we get an option which says opt in, and we are going to place on that, and we scroll down. You read accept, and also confirm your email, and there we are able to get into the Android 17 beta program. Now if I go back and I go to settings, for example, if I go back and I go to settings, then we come to the software update part. We go to system and we go to software update. Now when I place on the system software update, you see I'm getting the prompt for Android 17 beta 3. So here all I have to do, and it's 3.07 GB, here all I have to do is place on download, and it's going to download, and you're just going to place on install after it has downloaded, and there you're going to get the Android 17 early access on your phone. So that's all you have to do. Just log into your phone. For example, the email I'm using here, I have to just log into my phone, and after that, the email you're using here, all you do is you come to Google Chrome and search for Android beta program. You go to the first page, you go to devices, and it will give you a prompt here which says opt in, and you can opt out at any point. If I come here and I place on opt out, I will be out of the Android beta program, and this helps you to get early access to Android 18, 19, any Android that will come out. You'll be having early access on it. And here you see it's downloading, and after downloading, all I have to do is place on install, and it's going to install in my phone. And that's how you get Android 17 early access, and you'll be able to get early access to the features of Android 17. And in most cases, back up your phone if you have some sensitive data to at a point where you might need to flash your phone back to the older version. It might help out, and that's how you get early access to Android 17. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.